Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Sylvia and I make videos on planning with the occasional review. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of your Creative Studio subscription box. So it says shell on here, so I'm going to assume that for the month of June, it has a little 6 there, that we are getting some beachy vibes for the summertime. I think I'm right. Looky there. Is this a conch shell? It reminds me, this is what I picture when I read things like recently I read, what is it called? Lord of the Flies. I'm gonna have to look that up. But this is awesome. I'm excited. Let's see. This paper on the outside, by the way, is really good to keep for ephemera. Nice and thin. Got some travel stuff. Oh, I love when I get these stamps. They're usually stickers. Food, yum. Loaf book collection series. Okay. Lace square. What does that mean? Hopefully it's some kind of ephemera, but it might be a stamp. Oh, look. Seahorses. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. That's still so incredibly hard for me. All right, we got some stamps here. This looks great. And of course, I'm just going to take all of this out, and then I'm going to take all of this out of the plastic because I'm sure my ring light is going crazy right now. Ooh, some washi strips. Nice. More stamps. Ooh, this is so pretty. Look, jellyfish. Oh, I love that. Okay, be right back. Okay, so this is everything. So we have our stamps here. First one is a lighthouse, which is beautiful. Now it's shiny because they have this plastic on here that sticks to, what are they called? It's like the little blocks that you get that holds this on. I wish I had one to show you, but so you're not actually supposed to take that off. I did that one time. It doesn't work. Then we have a beautiful seahorse. Oh, I love seahorses. They're magical. And then a shell. And then another shell. The one you find pearls in. Now on to the washi tape, which is always one of my favorites. So it goes with the same beachy fill. It's got shells on it and starfish and coral. Beautiful. And then I'm curious about this box. It's marked lace square. Okay, cool. So these are are they stickers? They feel like stickers. You can use these to use them as labels, which is my favorite thing to do, especially on a weekly spread. You can put what week it is, what days are in that week at the bottom. And I believe that these are stickers. So try that. Yep. I love these. They're so helpful, and they're very, very thin. So it's not going to add a lot of bulk. Trade that for this one. So let's see. Loft. I think I said loaf. Okay, this one. Trying to get it to focus. It is on autofocus, but there's just so many things for my camera to focus on. It's like, I don't know what to do. Oh, this is so cool. So this is like vintage old recipes for things. And it looks like they're real recipes. That's kind of awesome. Chocolate cake, yes. Oh, this is so cool. And you can use it for ephemera. Oh, I love this. I'm gonna have to try out one of these recipes just to see if they work. I bet they do. This is really cool. And it looks like they're not bound. So they're just, if I take one out, yeah. can take them out. Oh, and you get duplicates, so that's really cool. If you found a recipe you liked, you could keep one and then use the rest, or even give them to a friend in some of those ephemera Happy Mail trades. I'm sure they have a different name. I don't know what it is, at least off the top of my head right now. Sticky notes are always appreciated. I like how they have that kind of vintagey look to them. Very, very nice. I love these. And then down here we have some ephemera. So this is just the thicker cardstock. No stickers, but you have your seahorses and your jelly bellies. Oh, octopuses, octopi. And you got some shells here, some coral. So these are really nice. Everything you need for under the sea vibes. Seaweed, and you've got some smaller ones here. This is so cool. Oh, look, you even have one that says beach. Happy time. So, I mean, I don't live anywhere near the ocean. Sorry if this is not in focus. It wants to focus on everything behind my hand. There we go. Yeah, I don't live anywhere near the ocean. I'm in Colorado, so I'm just landlocked. And I've never actually been to the ocean, so I'm gonna have to save this for that, or maybe if I want to feel like this is all the things I would have done if I had gone, and make a cool, you know, spread bucket list style of that, I could certainly do that as well. So those are cool. Then we have stickers that usually come in every kit, which I love. And they're always these transparent stickers that make me happy because you can put them on white paper or even cream colored paper and it won't look awkward, which makes me happy. So put those back. Then we have these DIY manual account material package. So this is just a bunch of different ephemera in different sizes, which I love. I like these lighter shades. You can put them in with a little bit of color, and it's just really nice. So these are always appreciated, and I love that they come in different sizes because sometimes you need something that's going to cover a big portion of the page, and then sometimes you don't have very much room, so you need something smaller. So that's always great. Very nice. Oh, and there's some smaller ones that fell out right here. Just little ones, tags. I can pick them up. Oh, are these stickers? Oh yeah, so these ones are stickers. I think, yeah, these ones are definitely stickers, the smaller ones. These were just pieces of ephemera. Very nice. You could go ahead and use these to break down for days as well. So here we have some of my favorites, which are the stamps. They look like they're faux stamps, and then there's stickers on the back. And I love when they're like flowers. They're just so cute. Very beautiful. Oh, that one's probably my favorite. All right, so I love when I get a lot of stickers because they're easy to put down. No work, no ink needed, like with the stamps. Okay, so now let's move on to these, which I think are just sheets of paper that you can use for ephemera. So they're very thin, which is nice because you can just stick them down with a glue stick or a tape runner, and you get several of each style. They all are matchy-matchy. I love how they're all matchy-matchy. Everything is cohesive. I don't have to like go and try to find other things that will work. Although since they are pretty much neutral colors, you can, I mean, I certainly have a lot of things that could match with this as well, which is fantastic. You can write little notes on the back or a grocery list if you needed to as well. These are fun if you have younger kids. They just like pretty paper to write on. Anything that will get little kids practicing writing, I'm all for, because sometimes, like my niece Jade, she wants to practice writing more because she types a lot. She's already in middle school, and she's like, I don't like my handwriting. I said, listen, Jade, you're preaching to the choir, because I've been writing my whole life, and it's just not who I am to have really, really pretty handwriting. And I probably could if I tried hard, but as a writer, I just need to get what's in my mind onto the page, so it doesn't work for me, and I've let it go. I've let it go. So I've already let her know not to feel bad about it. Some of you out there feel the same way I do, and you understand. This is tissue paper that's been printed on, and it is so lovely. I like the sound it makes, the way it feels. It's beautiful. So this is pretty easy to go ahead and put some, like a glue stick on and get it onto the page. You can go ahead and tear this slightly or even cut it if you wanted to, and just put like a corner on a page, and that looks really beautiful as well. So I think these might all be the same, but they're beautiful, and you get 5 pieces. So lovely. Love it. And of course, since it's tissue paper, it's very, very thin, and you don't have to worry about having too much bulk or adding too much bulk to a planner or a bullet journal. And these are just, I believe, washi stickers, which are pretty cool. Oh, so these ones are strips, and this is more of a patch. So as you can see, there's a square. That's kind of cool. This is nice for layering too. So you could put this down, and then you could put something like this on top of it, and then put week 7 or whatever on there. So that is beautiful. I love it. I like it when I have stickers because it makes things easy. And these are also squares, I believe. Yeah, I'm terrible about putting that back on. Ignore that. And like I mentioned, these are strips in case you can't tell. These are great to put on the top, bottom, the side of any page. And you can always cut it down to size if you have a smaller bullet journal or planner, so that's awesome too. And these ones are really pretty too. So I like this. So if you wanted to do a thicker strip, or you wanted to put a strip at the top and bottom of a page, there are 2 of each. Kind of like a header and a footer, so that's really nice. Love that. Okay, and that is everything that's in this month's subscription box. I am absolutely going to be able to use everything, which is why I continue to love this little box. And I will put a link down below to Amanda's shop in case you want to pick this one up, or the one for the next month. All right, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope that this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.